Okay, it is 7:16 p.m. on Friday, November 11th. Happy Veterans Day to everyone. We're going to be starting up the Harbor Breeze. Haven't ran it interview days. The Hunter has been having some recent problems. I put a few drops of oil in it. It's running a little stiff, and when I turn it on, it seems to rattle a little bit. So let's see what I can do with that. This is a little update here. The Holmes is running smooth. Haven't had any issues with this. So, and the Harbor Breeze, let's put those on, turn the light off. There we go. Now the Harbor Breeze, still silent, but recently it's been making kind of a startup noise. Hasn't really done that. Didn't do that when I got it last year. I don't know what that's about. There's the information. I don't know if you can read it. There's the manufacture date. I don't know if you can read it, but if you can, there it is. And then there's that. Then there's that. I don't know what that says. But as you can see, it is flush mounted. And yes, I do need to clean it. Well, let's go ahead and start her up and do a little update video on the Harbor Breeze. Let's start her up on low since go through all the speeds since I'm mostly running on high. So here's low. Try to get the startup noise at the end of the video. That's low speed. Don't mind the Christmas lights I have on in the background. Oh, by the way, that's not, the flashing does not happen in real life. That's just because of the frame rate of the camera, because they're LEDs. So if it's flashing, that's just the camera. It does not do that in real life. So it is low speed. Let's kick it up to medium. Hear the motor humming a little bit. Use medium. Now I have to hold the phone because my tripod and my camcorder on my tripod, but my phone holder for my tripod won't let me film when the phone's kind of like angled like this, so that's what I got for now. Alright, and full power. So it blows an insane amount of air for what this thing is. This is a 42-inch ceiling fan, I believe. I don't remember correctly, but I believe it's a 42-inch. Alright, and this fan has a 32-second spin down time. Actually, my old phone is charged up because I was looking at stuff I want off of Amazon for Christmas. So I have to make my Christmas lists, but don't mind my wallpaper. I found it on Zedge. Just a random picture. So let's go to clock timer. Or let's go to stopwatch actually. And alright, 3, 2, 1. And counting. $34. We got 36:04 on the clock, but when the fan stopped, it hit 34, and I forgot to stop the clock, so it's a 34 spin down, 34-second spin down. For anyone wanted to know. All right, now let's get some startup noises. Most prominent is high speed. See if you can hear it. Besides the wind noise, this is the view of the fan from the bed. Where'd my 7x lens go? Where'd my wide angle lens go? It just says 1x and then 2. If anyone knows about that, I have Google Pixel 6. Where's the remote? Oh, found it. And that's off. I'm gonna try to make a video of me cleaning this thing. See if I can do it with the tripod. Maybe we'll just set the tripod on the bed and do it from an interesting angle. But yeah, that's just an update on the Harbor Breeze. So yeah, thanks for watching.